Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I have some happy mail to share with y'all today, and I thought I would just come and show y'all what I got from Dina. This Mama Loves Disney. Thank you so much, girl, you're so sweet. I can't believe you did this. But I'm just going to pull it out and see what we have here. Uh-oh. It looks like Halloween. Isn't this cute? I have not seen Disney Mickey Mouse ribbon. This is adorable. I don't have my glasses on, y'all. It's got these cute little trick-or-treat bags. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that Mickey Mouse ribbon. She made a paper clip. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I've seen these brooms when she made them. These are awesome. She took a stirrer and she took tulle, different colors of this sparkly tulle, and she made a witch's broom. Got a little spider there with a bow and a little spider web right there. That is so cute. I love these. And Death by Chocolate. That is so cute. I love this eyelash trim. Oh, I have to know where you got this at. Awesome. I'm gonna link her channel below, y'all, so y'all can go check her out. She is an awesome crafter. She's got these little chocolates in here with little bitty spiders. She's got a tag with this ephemera piece and this skeleton she's got popped up on dimensionals. Awesome. And some paper tags. I needed these. Thank you. I had used all my black ones when I sent out some happy mail myself, so I didn't have any more black. That's cool. Thank you. And then, oh wow, some lost and found blush ephemera. Ooh, I don't have this one. Ooh, I like this. Thank you so much. I'm not going to pull all the little pieces out, y'all, because I will definitely lose the little ones. I have to put them in a little box thing I got. And then she sent this blush paper pad to go along with it. I don't very often get the ephemera and the paper pad to go together, so this is awesome. Thank you. Ooh, I like this. A dress form. And it's double-sided. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. Y'all know how I like to craft with pink and green, so this is awesome. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. You really didn't have to do all of this. She's got this little pumpkin container right here. I believe she said slime came in this, and she's put in a little confetti mix. Isn't that cute? It's got some of the spiders and the spider webs and cats and witches. That is so cute. Uh-oh. I may have boo-booed. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it back in there now. She had it in there so neat, and I went and messed it all up. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Well, I wanted to see it though. It was so cute. And it's sticking to my fingers. My hands are dry. I've been washing them. I've been trying to clean up and get kind of reorganized with my craft stuff. I'm putting up a lot of stuff and getting Christmas out. So I've been washing my hands like every 10 minutes. She's got this cute little treat bag in here that's got the candy on it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this pin. She put a charm on the pin, y'all. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love that charm. Look, it's a witch's hat with a little tiny pumpkin dangling off of it. Isn't that cute? And she's got a bead with a bead cap. Oh, I ain't never put a pin or a charm on a pin like that before. That's awesome. What a good idea. So full of inspiration. She's got a cute little sticker on the front of this little treat bag with some apple cider. Oh, I'm gonna let my grandson try this. He's never tried it before. I think he'll like it because he loves apple pie. That's one of his favorites, so he'll probably like that. And I'm going to put that back in there, and I'm going to pick up this confetti and put it in here so it won't get knocked in the floor. And then, let's see. Oh, I think this is the card. Look, y'all, it's the 101 Dalmatians. Is it Esmeralda? I'm not sure. I'm not real sure about that. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Dina. I love that little card. You've been spooked. I love eyelash trim. Wishing you a happy Halloween filled with laughter, fun, and lots of treats in between. I've had so much fun spooking you that I hope that you take the time to spook the ones that are special to you. Join in the fun. Fall is here. Remember that it's that spooky time of year. I get ahead of myself right there. That is so cute. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, she sent me some of these shakers. I have seen the dyes that everybody's been using to make the shakers, and I thought they were awesome. But I don't have any. Check them out. There's the pumpkin, and she's got the spiders and pumpkins and spider webs in there. Look how pretty that is, y'all. And it shakes so good. And then she's got the bat. And inside the bat, she's got bats and stars and spiders. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. Those are really pretty. And she sent some embellishments. Excuse me. Check those out. She's got some fun shaker inside too. Lots of fun included with the embellishments. I'm gonna save it and put it in the little pumpkin with the other stuff if I can get it in there. I may have messed it up trying to dump it out to look at it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like the little ghost confetti pieces. They're like clear. I didn't even see them. That don't help. Silly me. This is so pretty. Girl, you are so talented. This is gorgeous. Check these out. She's got these embellishments here. She's got 2 or 3 layers. She's got this piece in the back, and the confetti's still coming out from where it was inside. She's got this orange piece on the back, and then she's got some eyelash trim, and then this circle puffy shape here. And then she's got the spider web and the witch's hat and broom, all Hallows Eve. And then she's got this one down here with the orange and the green eyelash trim. And she's got this black puffy looking shape circle. Boo to you. And the little bat and all this is popped up on dimensionals. There's a little tiny bat shaker piece coming out of there. I'll get it later. They're coming out of the cracks. But and she's got this little puffy sticker spider right here, and everything's popped up on dimensionals. Real cute. These are adorable. Thank you so much. I love this paper too. And then she has this book, I think, Ticket Fright Night, Ticket Haunted House, Ticket Family Fun, Haunted House, Thrills, Chills, and Spooky Ghost in the Elementary School Gymnasium. Frightfully Fun Cakewalk finalist. I don't know if I'm opening it right. Let's see what it... Oh, it folds out. Awesome. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna have to go page by page so y'all can see it. Ta-da! Halloween costume parade. She's got the witch stickers here, and this ephemera piece or journaling card with a sticker here. This paper is so cute. It's vintagey looking. Then she's got the spooky hayride with the scarecrow, and she's got bat stickers and leaf stickers. This real pretty paper in the background with the moon in between the tree branches, and another one here of the scarecrow. Halloween costume contest, journaling card there, and she's got a tuck spot with this. This is so cute. Super cute. And then, check it out, on the back, you flip it back the other way. Isn't this so cute? I've never gotten one of these before. Oh, look at that. This is cool. When I take my grandson trick-or-treating, I can take his pictures and put it in here. Matter of fact, I got some pictures now. We went to the actual carnival at the school. I'm gonna print those out and put them in here because this is perfect. He did the cakewalk, and he won him a chocolate cake, and he went on the hayride. He didn't do they don't have a costume contest. They don't do costumes, but wow, this is just perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is so cool. I love it. Thank you. Y'all go check Dina out. She is such a talented crafter and a very, very sweet person. Very sweet. Y'all go check her out. I'll put her link below. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.